Kitchen counter space is precious real estate, and the best microwave air fryer combos eliminate an entire appliance while actually performing better than standalone units. I've discovered which models truly excel at both functions without compromising either, saving you money, space, and delivering restaurant quality results from a single device. Links to each product are in the description box below. This multifunctional kitchen marvel from Cuisinart truly delivers on its 3-in-1 promise. You can air fry crispy wings 1 minute, then bake brownies with the convection feature, and quickly reheat leftovers with the microwave function. The versatility means you'll free up valuable counter space by replacing multiple appliances with this single unit. The thoughtful design includes easy-to-use touchpad controls with an LED display that makes operation intuitive. With a generous 0.9 cubic foot capacity, you can prepare meals for the whole family. The included accessories, rotating glass tray, air fry basket, and bake/drip pan ensure you're ready to take advantage of all cooking methods right out of the box. Temperature control is a standout feature, allowing you to adjust settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect results across different cooking styles. When using the microwave function, you'll appreciate the 11 power levels that provide precise control for everything from gentle defrosting to rapid heating. Similarly, the handy preset options take the guesswork out of common cooking tasks. Cleanup is remarkably simple thanks to the stainless steel interior that won't absorb food odors. This practical design choice means yesterday's fish dinner won't affect today's baked goods. For households looking to maximize functionality while minimizing appliance clutter, this Cuisinart microwave air fryer combo offers an elegant solution. You might experience a slight learning curve as you figure out the optimal settings for your favorite recipes, but most users find the adjustment period well worth the versatility they gain. Next up on my best air fryer microwave combo list is the popular Breville Combi Wave, which truly shines when it comes to versatility. Rather than cluttering your kitchen with multiple appliances, this brushed stainless steel powerhouse handles air frying, convection baking, and microwaving. The Element IQ system intelligently directs power exactly where it's needed, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. Fast Combi and Cook from Frozen Functions are absolute game changers for busy households. You can prepare meals significantly faster than in traditional ovens, and the ability to cook frozen items without pre-thawing saves valuable time. Similarly, the smart presets take the guesswork out of common cooking tasks, making this an ideal choice for both novice and experienced cooks. What sets this microwave apart the most is its thoughtful design features. The 80% quieter soft close door and 50% quieter operation make kitchen time more pleasant. No more jarring microwave slams or noisy hums disrupting your conversations. Additional features like child lock and customizable sound settings further demonstrate Breville's attention to user experience. The Shortcuts panel located on the inside door provides quick access to common tasks like melting chocolate or softening butter. This clever design touch keeps the exterior sleek while maintaining functionality. The included Combi Crisp pan and trivet expand your cooking options further, allowing for crispy results you wouldn't expect from a microwave. At 1.1 cubic feet capacity, the Combi Wave offers sufficient space for family meals while maintaining a relatively reasonable footprint. The power smoothing inverter technology ensures even cooking without the hot and cold spots common in standard microwaves. Though it represents a significant investment compared to basic microwaves, the 3-in-1 functionality provides excellent value when you consider the appliances it replaces. Checking in at number 3 on my best microwave air fryer combo list, we have the TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo, which truly stands out with its 7-in-1 functionality. You get a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, toaster, and even a yogurt maker all in one sleek unit. This remarkable versatility means you can declutter your kitchen while still having access to multiple cooking methods. Cooking enthusiasts will appreciate the inverter technology that ensures even heating without cold spots. Unlike traditional microwaves that simply turn power on and off, this inverter system provides consistent energy that preserves texture in meats and prevents overcooked edges on reheated foods. The built-in humidity sensor takes the guesswork out of cooking times by detecting when your food is perfectly done. Air frying capabilities make this appliance particularly attractive if you're health conscious. The 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology creates crispy, golden results with little to no oil. You'll enjoy the taste and texture of fried foods with significantly reduced fat content. Plus, the included air fry basket, bake tray, and 2 wire racks ensure you have all the tools needed for perfect results. What makes this Toshiba model unique is its combination cooking modes. These Combi modes merge microwave, convection, and grill functions to speed up cooking while still delivering excellent texture. For example, you can roast a chicken in a fraction of the typical time while achieving a crispy exterior and juicy interior. The convection function reaches up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with 1800 watts of power, while the microwave operates at 1000 watts. Beginners will find this appliance approachable thanks to its pre-programmed settings. With 6 auto menus, 10 home fry options, 5 sensor cook presets, and 6 defrost settings, you can prepare a wide variety of meals with simple button presses. Plus, the included cookbook featuring 47 recipes provides further inspiration for making the most of this versatile appliance, helping you create impressive meals with minimal effort. Taking second place on my best microwave with the air fryer roundup is this sleek GE microwave air fryer combo, which combines 4 cooking methods into one convenient countertop unit. With 1050 watts of power, it delivers quick microwave cooking alongside premium features like air frying, convection baking, and broiling. The included stainless crisper pan is specially designed for the air fry mode, helping you create healthier versions of traditionally fried foods without the excess oil. The handy preset controls make operations super straightforward. You can quickly select options like fries or nuggets and let the microwave handle the cooking details for you. The child lock feature provides peace of mind if you have little ones at home who might be tempted to play with buttons. For its compact 1 cubic feet size, this model packs impressive versatility. The convection feature includes a special rack that promotes air circulation around your food, resulting in even cooking and that highly desirable golden brown finish. Meanwhile, the broil function lets you sear and caramelize foods just like you would with a traditional broiler. The rotating glass turntable ensures even cooking throughout each cycle. With its stainless steel exterior, the microwave brings a modern, upscale look to any kitchen space. While it might not replace a full-sized oven for large family dinners, it's perfect for individuals, couples, or small families looking to maximize counter space without sacrificing cooking options. So, what is the best microwave air fryer combo on the market? Overall, I'd say that the Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 is the best air fryer microwave oven that you can buy if you want to combine multiple cooking appliances into one space-saving unit without sacrificing quality. You'll get a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, and broiler, all wrapped into one stainless steel package. The 1000-watt inverter microwave technology ensures your food heats evenly without those annoying cold spots or overcooked edges that plague conventional microwaves. The air fryer mode is particularly impressive for a combo unit. You can achieve crispy French fries and perfectly browned chicken wings with significantly less oil than traditional frying. What makes this feature stand out is how quickly it circulates hot air around your food without requiring preheating time, getting dinner on the table faster. Baking enthusiasts will appreciate the convection functionality that heats up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You can bake cookies, roast a whole chicken, or cook casseroles with results that rival your standard oven. The Flash Express broiler adds another dimension, letting you toast, brown, and crisp foods with grill-like results. Perfect for finishing dishes with that appetizing golden top. Despite its compact footprint, the HomeChef offers a spacious 1.2 cubic foot interior with a 14.2-inch turntable. The included accessories enhance your cooking options: an enamel tray, wire rack, and dedicated air fryer basket. Another thoughtful touch is the stainless steel interior cavity that wipes clean easily, addressing a common pain point with microwave maintenance. Tech-savvy cooks will enjoy connecting through the Drop app for monthly recipes designed specifically for this model. While mastering all the functions takes some time and experimentation, the combination of genius sensor cooking technology and 20 preset menus helps streamline the learning process. And with that said, you'll find the links for all the products mentioned in the description box below. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you found this best microwave air fryer combo video helpful.